Before you start using your Hoover commercial cordless half-gallon electrostatic sprayer, make sure you have the proper protection. This includes safety glasses, gloves, and a mask. Always follow the instructions on the label for the solution you wish to use. Remove the cap from the solution and from the back of the tank. Then, add your desired amount to the tank accordingly. Now, put the cap back on. Your sprayer comes with 4 nozzle tip sizes, ranging from 40 to 160 microns. Choose the size that the solution label specifies as the approved application method. Then, use the T-handle nozzle tool to tighten or loosen the nozzle tip. Now, put on the anti-static strap. First, adjust and tighten it so that it can slide onto your wrist and is secured against your skin. Next, take the fully charged battery and place it in the back until it clicks. If you need to prime your sprayer, hold down the trigger until the spray pattern is consistent. The switch on the side of the sprayer will turn on the electrostatic function. This will positively charge the solution, so as it spreads, it gets drawn to negatively charged objects for fast, even coverage. Please refer to the label directions of the solution to determine if electrostatic is an approved application method. We recommend that you spray in long, even strokes to ensure the best possible coverage. Once you've finished using your sprayer, always empty, clean, and drain the tank. And that's it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.